Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you the general section of the WhatsApp chatbot settings. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account and open the WhatsApp bot and access the general section in the WhatsApp chatbot settings. Over here, you will find few configurations that you can do. So let's start from the beginning. So this is an option where you can set the session timeout for your WhatsApp chatbot. The maximum time that you can set as per the meta configuration is 24 hours. So you can set a session timeout to 24 hours from here. And next we have the option of live chat request expiry. Like if any of the customer is requesting for the live chat, for how many seconds that expiry should last. So let's say I put 300 seconds, which usually is 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, automatically the live chat expiry will live chat will expire, and in that case, whenever the live chat will expiry will happen and the team member doesn't accept the live chat, this is the unavailability message that will be sent to the customer that our team is not available at the moment. You can configure this message also as per your need. Next we have this user inactivity message. User inactivity is basically like the customer have initiated a conversation with the bot, and the bot replies, and the customer didn't reply after that. So for after 5 minutes, automatically the customer will get this message that we haven't received a reply from you, please get back to us. So this is an inactivity message that you can also configure from this section. Next we have this last section, that is message after automated flow completes. So let's say if customer is going through an automated flow, after the flow completes, the end chat happens, what should be the message that should be triggered to the customer? Like you can set like to restart the chat, type restart, to initiate a live chat, type live chat, based upon the triggers that you will set. So any message like that you can set from this particular section. So that's all pretty much about this particular section of WhatsApp chatbot settings, and these are the things that includes in the general settings. Please let us know in case if you have any doubt. You can surely reach us at support@penguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.